Hey, Grant here. Today I'm going to talk about whether affiliate marketing is a good source of retirement income. And don't forget to smash the like button down below and subscribe button so you get notified when I drop new videos. So let's get into it. Is affiliate marketing a good source of retirement income? Well, the answer for me is yes. A resounding yes. But we're all not created equal and different people like different things. So all I can do is tell you why it's perfect for me, and you can decide if it seems to be a good fit for you or not. Okay, I believe for the majority of you it will be. The affiliate marketing sector, it's expected to expand to more than $15.7 billion by 2024. AARP statistics in 2019 showed that 1 in 5 retirees had a side hustle, and other stats show that more than 12% of affiliate marketers are older than 55. And that's a good sign it's a feasible business for the older set of folks like me. Now, if you read my story on my website, you'll see I started my affiliate marketing journey late in life at 60 years old. I'll be 70 next month. The main reasons it's so popular with the senior sector and with me is a pretty long list, so I'm going to give you 11 reasons I think it fits retirees so well. Now, first, ask yourself, why did you retire? Why are you looking for another income source? Now, my reason was I was tired of wearing my body out. I was rehabbing houses. I wanted to be able to have some good years while I was healthy to enjoy retirement. And I lost everything when I was in my late 50s and really didn't have the money to truly retire yet. So I started looking at what my options were to rebuild my retirement and be easy on me physically and still be able to at least semi-retire. And that's when I came across the affiliate marketing business, and it just clicked with me. So let's get into the reasons. First, it's not physically demanding. There's nothing physically demanding about being an affiliate marketer. Lifting my laptop has been pretty much the extent of physical work for me. Now, of course, sitting for long periods of time can be bad on your back. So you want to take breaks, stand up, walk around a bit. But other than that, it's pretty non-physical. Number two, you work on your own schedule. Part of the reason for my retirement was to be able to do things on my terms, spend quality time with my wife, visit my children and my grandchildren when I want, play golf when I want, and taking on a part-time job somewhere, that wouldn't allow for any of this. And I'd still be at the mercy of someone else, scheduling my time, telling me when I had to be somewhere. And then everything I would want to do would have to be scheduled around my set work hours. As an affiliate marketer, I can do my work around my activities instead of vice versa. There are no set hours when to do affiliate marketing. Early morning, middle of the day, late evening, in the middle of the night, it doesn't matter. I can work when I want and don't have to when I don't want. Okay, the third reason, you can work from anywhere. My wife and I, we love to go to different places. A part-time job narrows down the opportunities to be able to travel for an extended amount of time, but with affiliate marketing, I can work from anywhere. There's no limit. I mean, I can work from my home office, in the living room couch, or the backyard, from a different city, or even a different state, or even a different country. As long as I have a cell phone and an internet signal, I can work my affiliate business. Now, I always take my laptop with me too. We like going to Destin, Florida every fall, so I simply take my laptop with me and actually work sitting under our umbrella on the beach. And up until that time, I always thought that was a lot of BS when I'd read about it. But now, instead of Destin, and thanks in part of my affiliate marketing, we have a winter place in Central Florida, which is where I am now. Now I just work from there while we're down there, usually out by the pool or overlooking the lake, our place is on. So in a nutshell, you don't have to schedule your vacation time or travel plans around your work. As an affiliate marketer, you can schedule what you want to do first, then whatever work on the affiliate program you want to do after. Number 4 is not a lot of time is required. Once you get used to what you're doing and know how you want to go about things, you can put in an hour or two a day, keep things running fine. Now I'll say in the beginning, you'll probably put in more hours each day because you're in the setting up and learning phase. But again, it's not necessary. I mean, I did because of the excitement of it for me, and I was eager to start seeing results. But you can move at your own pace and work a lot or work a little. Fifth reason, no big investment to run the business. And as I said earlier, all the affiliate marketing business requires is a phone and an internet connection. You probably already have both, and already paying for those, so no extra cost there. Now I like working from a laptop when possible, just because of the bigger screen and the typing, capabilities. But again, it's not required. Your affiliate marketing expenses are minimal. If you go the route in affiliate marketing I'm doing, then you'll have the cost of your websites, which run less than $100 a year. That's a year. Now, being honest, your biggest cost, at least in the beginning, is going to be for your education. But your training is still an insanely low investment compared to the income possibilities. And it's not even close to, thousands upon thousands you invest in college to learn a trade that doesn't pay a fourth of what you can make with this. Now, as I learned more and got my income coming in, I started investing a little more into tools that would make things go faster for me, and cut down even more of my time. But none of that's necessary for the beginning unless you want. Your sixth reason, no limit on your income. This is the reason I really like it, the affiliate marketing income. Unlike a part-time job where you clock in and out, there's no limit to your income. I've made $7 in one day. I've made $2,500 in one day. It's all related to the work you put in, the affiliate program plan you're promoting, and so on and so on. I have colleagues making $30,000 to $60,000 a month with affiliate marketing, and I have folks I've worked with that are happy to have an extra $500 to $1,000 a month coming in. The main thing is you can scale up if you want, or you don't have to. Again, you have control, not someone else. Seventh reason, you can build a passive income. The term passive income, now it gets thrown around a lot, and true passive income is income coming in without you doing anything. Well, up front, you need to put some time and effort into it to build it to where it can become passive income down the road. And the way this will happen is as your own affiliate website traffic grows, you get more and more clicks on your affiliate links, which increases your sales. You've written the article initially, but besides the occasional tweaks and updates you'll do to it, it just sits there getting traffic without any more major effort from you. And that's just one article. Once you get 50 articles on your website and traffic coming to all of those, and that's all organic from search engines, and that's free, your income can build to be really substantial, all from the initial work of writing that initial article. So throw in a search engine optimization and it grows even more. Now, another way of building passive income is through recurring commissions. And lots of software products are subscription-based, which means the folks subscribing pay a monthly fee to use that software. As long as they pay that monthly fee, you get a commission each month they pay. You only sold it to them once, but you get commissions every month. Now multiply that by 10, 50, or 100. See what I mean? So, number 8, no marketing skills required. I hear this all the time. I don't have any experience in marketing whatsoever. Well, I didn't either. And you don't have to. You'll pick up marketing skills along the way. That's what I did. And then I started trying to learn more of those skills as I went along. But none are required at all to start your affiliate marketing business. Just incorporate what you know already and learn more as you go. 9th reason, no inventory, stock, or shipping. There are folks that have been in Amway and other network marketing before. They think they have to stock up on the products or invest into whatever they're promoting. And in affiliate marketing, you don't. Whatever company product you're promoting is stocked and handled by the company. Nowhere in the affiliate marketing sales process do you have to put your hands on the product. You choose the product you want to promote. They supply you with an affiliate link, and that's how they track to make sure you get credit for the sale. You post that link in your content, whether it be in your website articles, email marketing, social media, YouTube, wherever, and if someone clicks on that link and buys, you get a commission. The company handles shipping it to the customer. The 10th reason it's good for us is no customer service worries, since you're not stocking and shipping anything and don't even talk to a customer, and unless you want to, you have no customer service to worry about. Any complaints about the product, go to the company they bought from. All customer service representatives are supplied by the company, and you're not one of them. So as an affiliate marketer, you're free of that hassle. Number 11, it's free to join an affiliate program. A lot of people think, the catch to all this is that you have to pay a fee to be an affiliate. There are over 11,400 affiliate programs in the United States, not even looking at the rest of the world. Most of these you can join for free. and immediately start promoting. Now, there are no startup fees or entry fees, except there's a few exceptions. In most high-ticket training courses or mentorship programs, they require you to purchase their courses before you can be an affiliate marketer for them. And I mean, it makes sense. This is because if you're promoting a product where your commission is going to be $2,000 to $5,000, they want to know that you know the product inside and out. And of course, this will also help you make more sales because you'll know what you're talking about. And this is mostly, though, for the more advanced affiliate marketing, on down the road, where you'll have to talk to folks, because people usually putting out that kind of money, they're not going to put it out just by clicking on a link. So they want to talk to somebody. But the programs you'll be wanting to join in the beginning will be free, especially through an affiliate network such as ClickBank, ShareSale, or CJ Affiliate, and some of those. You'll find some of the best affiliate programs on these platforms, and it's also free to join Amazon's affiliate network, which is one of the largest around. So as you can tell, affiliate marketing can be a great way to supplement your retirement and even match or surpass your current retirement income stream. And with today's internet, anyone can pursue affiliate marketing and earn commissions by promoting products that they believe in. By being able to work from anywhere in the world, having the potential for passive income, affiliate marketing offers retirees an opportunity to build an extra income stream that can support them for years to come. And while it may take some time and effort to get started, if you're willing to put in the work, you can be successful at affiliate marketing and enjoy a comfortable retirement. I hope you've got some value out of this, and be sure to smash the thumbs up down below and subscribe so you'll get notified as I publish new videos. And I invite you to check out my website. That's in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.